Ann?
Well, I think if nothing else, I hope those of you sitting in the audience will pay particular attention to what is happening with this health care reform bill. And if there's something you don't understand, pick up a phone and call our congressman or call the AARP office and let them know that you're alive and well and can read.
And can vote. Thank you. Donna?
Well, I think, what we've learned today is that we have a sick healthcare system. We need to make it a healthy healthcare system. And the onus is on us also, because once the system is in place, especially with preventative healthcare, primary care, we need to avail ourselves of these services and we need to stay healthy. Because a healthy citizenry is a healthy nation and a healthy economic boom for our country. So we need to take it to the next level.
Thank you, Donna. I think it's fair to say that this forum lived up to our hopes in the sense that we got to talk in more depth about the concerns, the very real concerns that people have, who are thoughtful and listen to all of this and wonder when they're going to get to the reality as it affects them. And I want to thank our panelists for doing such a superb job. A round of applause for everybody. And I would like to close by saying we will see what we can do with these questions. I will do our best to get them to you by whatever way we're able to make that happen. And we do thank the press for being here on a Saturday morning and paying attention to an important discussion. So they don't get applauded very often, and I may take it back after I see what it looks like tomorrow. A round of applause for the press. And finally, I want to just tell you, we have a sense that there's a lot of coming together around this huge problem, as well as the other problems that our nation is challenged by. And a growing realization that nobody's going to be able to do it alone, and we've got to pull together if we are going to continue to be the strong, free nation we have been, which offers the best chance for a good life for our citizens. AARP is engaging in that effort in a way to encourage volunteerism. And I just want to mention to you a website that AARP has called Create the Good, wherein we are asking people to note and report, and I don't want the word report, but to note and have posted, that's what we want, post the kinds of good volunteer things they do when they don't even think about volunteering. Years ago, I was asked to speak at a volunteer group, and they were talking about getting people to volunteer and the like. And one of the people said, well, we have this group in North Providence, and they are so wonderful. They give us, they get food for the holidays, they get this, they get that, they do. And I said, wait a minute, that sounds like Norman Santaniello's group, the AARP chapter. So we had done a survey of the chapters and said, what do you do for volunteering? And we pretty much got nothing. And people do this kind of good all the time and don't even think about it. But it makes a difference, and what we want to do is help people realize they are making a difference and encourage more to join them. So do visit the Create the Good website when you're on the computer. With that, you have been absolutely fabulous. We thank you so much and hope and expect that you found it worthwhile.